What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your attributes in MyCareer NBA 2K26. First of all, open the in-game menu. From there, go to the progression tab and select attributes. This is where you'll see all your attributes categories along with the current levels. The number shown at the bottom of each attribute represents your current level, and at the top you'll see the maximum you can reach. You can switch between the simple and detailed views here. If you press Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation, you will get additional information like your summary, badges, decors and animations. To upgrade, simply move the arrow up or down to increase or decrease the attribute you wanna spend VC on. The total VC cost for the upgrades will be displayed at the bottom. If you have got enough VC, confirm the upgrade and your new stats will be applied instantly. Sometimes upgrading certain attributes unlock new options like jump shots or animations. When that happens, you will see a notification that says new requirements met. You can press Y or triangle again to view what's been unlocked, and that's all you need to know about upgrading your attributes in MyCareer. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.